at Pants Farm Life. I've got a 1/4-inch Dewalt impact driver. It's a DC F885, and I think I burned it out trying to drill a hole through a post. It doesn't. I don't have a battery. It doesn't work. Doesn't come on. So I'm going to go ahead and take it apart. And I bought this brush kit right here. We're going to see if this works, if this fixes it. If not, I already bought a replacement. They had them on sale at Lowe's, 99 bucks for a battery, charger, and the tool, and it's brushless, the one I bought. So this is just if I can make it work. I think this thing right here was like 15 bucks maybe. So it doesn't work, you know, it's 15 bucks. Anyway, I took out the screws already. There's about 7 of them. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, and they are a what is that? T12, T10. So anyway, you take that off, and this comes apart. Obviously, I've had it apart because I needed to know what to get. So. This top comes off like so, and it's pretty dirty, you know. And then let's see, make sure you can see this here. So I want to replace this piece here and trying to figure out how to get that out. I was messing around with this, and this does pop up. I got it to pop out of here. Let's see here. Can't remember how I did it, but it did come up. Let's see here. It does come up out of there, trust me, because I got it to come out. You just don't want to. All these things. There we go. Okay. This comes out. There's some wires here, so just be careful. And this comes off. Now this I didn't take out. I haven't taken any of this out, so I'm not sure how it all comes off. Just know there's some wires there. Look like there's a little shaft right there. The magnet. Here we go. This comes out. Leave that right there. And this has 2 wires on it right here. There's a brown and a yellow, and just kind of orientate this the same way as that. Kind of like this. So the brown's on top, the yellow's on the bottom. Hopefully these just kind of slide out, but of course that's not going to happen. So we'll have to get some pliers and get those off of there. Might have some kind of a lock on the back, I'm not sure. Anyway, let me get some pliers and see if we can get that to come out. Let's see. Use these. There we go. There's the brown one. And there's the yellow one. Okay. See, the brown one's on top, the yellow one's on the bottom. It goes like that. I'm just going to set those right there like so. And you can see that these, look at that, worn down that is. That's probably why it's not making contact. That's the new one right there. So let's set that aside. We'll try and clean this stuff up. I'm trying to get a little clean. See what we can do. We'll shoot a little brake clean. I'm going to make a little cover here, and we'll come right back. Alright, I tried to clean it up a little bit, threw some brake cleaner on there. Did the best I could. There's still some spots in here that probably could be cleaned up a little bit better. So this thing went like this onto here. So somehow we got to open this up and get this in. So what's a good way to do it? Like that. And that's in. Okay. And this goes into here like so. And then this went into here like so. Oop, this goes a little bit more in here. There we go. All right, that looks like it's all in. Whoop, I gotta do this though. It would have been, let's get this back out. Let's get these wires connected. The yellow is on the bottom. And the brown was on the top. It goes all the way in. There we go. So we get this back together now. That goes in there. That kind of slides in that slot right there. That looks like it's all back together. So, oops, don't do that. So we got the brown in there. That looks like it's where it goes. Got that back in. I didn't take this out. Let's get this wire back in where it goes. There we go. Slides right back in there. That looks good there. That's good there. Let's put this back on. Get that a little cleaner. Let's get this back on. See if I can get this back in. It all looks like it went back on, just like that. All right, we'll get the screws in. Like I said, if that doesn't work, then you know, I already bought a replacement. I could replace that other piece that the magnet goes around, but after looking at the old brush, yeah, I think that's the problem. Let's find out here. Okay, that's all tightened up. I did also, this warning was right across here. I think you can see that, which was preventing me from pulling that in half, pulling that apart. So just remember this warning that's in 2 different languages. All right, let's get a battery. Stick a battery on here. Look at that, listen. Whoop. Well, that didn't work either. This battery doesn't seem very tight. Maybe something else is the problem. All right, that worked for a second. Let's try something else here. work for a second. So I guess we're gonna have to take this back apart and see what's going on. It almost feels like my battery thing is not, something wrong with this. Anyway, let's turn this camera off. I'll come back. Okay, I did a little investigating. I took it all back apart again. Took this back off, took this magnet and this, I don't even know what this thing is called right here. You can see that. This thing right here. And I took that off, cleaned it all up. I think I need to replace that piece because if I move it, it gets stuck. If I move it, it'll go for a while. So probably gonna have to invest in that piece right there. And that piece is about $35. So like I said, I already spent $99 on the other one. This was $15, $30, that's $50. And that's if that works, but I think that's the only thing that really would be the problem, would be that. So yeah, I just I'm guessing that's it. So because it will run for a minute if you jockey it around. But so I guess I'll try to buy one of those, and we'll come back and do a second video and see if that works. Otherwise, I got parts for a brush impact wrench that I don't have, but I don't understand why that wouldn't work. So we'll try that next, and we'll continue the video. Thank you. All right, we're back. Took a week, but I got this armature, I think that's what we call it, assembly. So we're going to swap this out and see if that works. So let's get this back off. I can remember how to do that. There we go. Just the wires. Let's get this off. So this magnet has to come out of here. Oh, it is tough. All right. So that was that. And let's see here. I just want to make sure you're in the frame here. Yeah. All right. So let's get rid of that old one. Put this on. Kind of just stuff it in here like so. There we go. And watch all the trigger and the wiring. It goes in like that. This goes in here. Whoops. Don't get off of there. That goes in like so. This goes in here. This wire kind of goes back in there. That's in there. This magnet. Now when I took this magnet, I don't know if you can see this here. It's got like two lines. When I took this apart, that was on top. Now, to be honest, I've had a hard time getting this together to go all the way on. It's like hitting something. Let's try it now. Okay. It doesn't want to go. There we go. All right, I'm gonna just plug a battery in, see what we get here. All right, that is working. Doesn't sound very good though. Well, it appears to be working. me go ahead and throw the screws in and try to use it. Put some screws into something. So I'm going to put these in, and then we'll come right back. Okay, give you this angle here. All right, so I got a couple of screws in here. These are 1 5/8, 2.5, and 3-inch. All right, I say that works. So just to recap, to fix this, I replaced the brushes. As you can see, these brushes were, you know, I can't hardly, let's see here, look at the gap in there. They were pretty burnt out. And I just tried this alone, and it would run, but it wouldn't stay running. And it was smoking. So I replaced this armature, and now it works fine, as you can tell by the screw test. Now, this was about $15, and I believe this was $35 on Amazon, so a total of about $50 plus tax, versus a brand new one was $99, and I got a brushless, a charger, and a battery. So was it worth it to fix it? I don't know, but now I have 2 of them, and you can never have too many tools. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Farm Life out.